Hey everyone, this is Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. On this video we're solving problem 6 for free maximum average subarray 1. This is an easy one. If you're given an integer array nums consisting of n elements and an integer k, so this is the input nums and k. Find a contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k that has the maximum average value and return this value. So any answer with a calculation error? Okay, so this is like divisions and like floating points are acceptable. So what do we need to do? So let's say we have this and we have 4. It means we need to look for a subarray of length 4 that's continuous, that's a subarray, and has the maximum average. And the average is the sum of all of the elements of the subarray divided by its length, which is in this case k. So we check if this one's the best, check if this one's the best, and then we check if this one's the best, and we return the best. It's pretty simple. So best average equals, let's use minus infinity. So from math import infinity. So it's anything will be better than this. And we will just go for index in range length of nums minus k. So let's say we have 4. So it's like we have 3 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Wait. No, this is not what I want. Oh, minus k minus 1. So what does this mean? So in this case we have 3 subarrays. This and the length is 6. Our case 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, but we have 3, so we just need to add 1 or subtract 1 from k, which is what I did. So current average equals the sum of nums of index all the way to index plus k, all of that divided by k, and then best average is equal to the maximum value of best average and current average, and at the end we just return best average. Let's submit that. Test case? No, I don't want test case. I want to run this. This is so weird. How can I run this? I changed it to, oh, it's over here. Now it's up here. Submit. I'm feeling confident. Well, it does make sense. Time limit exceeded. Huh. Wow. Wonder why. We're definitely doing a lot of sums that we could simplify. Well, this works, but it goes over the time limit. So what I think we could do is like, let's get the current sum. So let's get the first sum, which is equal to sum of nums of 0 all the way to index up to k divided by k. Let's just do current average equals this, and best average equals current average. So for index and range, all of this, so we don't need to do the sums again. I think what we need to do is current average multiplied by k. So we get the, let's say like the, we don't get the like the values again of the array, but we get the full thing. And then we subtract the number that we moved out of. So in this case, we start with this. Then if we want to try this, we just get the average of this multiplied by 4, subtract 1, add 50, and divide by 4 again. Subtract nums of index minus 1, and add nums of index, and then at the end divide by k. I hope this step made sense. So let's run this, see if it works. See if we actually... Okay, so what's up? Length of nums minus k. Oh, but I need to start at 1. What am I doing wrong? Oh, this is taking way longer than I expected. Solution. Yeah, I changed my color theme. I think everyone likes my color theme, but this one is better for me. I like them light colors. So what's up with this? So we come here, and our best average is 0.5 because it is 13 minus 5, 8 minus 6, 2 divided by 4, which is k. So current average is 0.5. And now current average times k is 4. No, 2, of course. 4 times 0.5 is 2. Minus 1 plus 12. Oh, of course. Nums of index plus k. Let's run again. Plus k. So let's go. We have index 0, 6, 1. Plus 1. So what's wrong here? Nums plus index plus k is 3. Oh, minus 1. Okay, so let me copy this, paste it here, submit. Oh, just a tiny bug. Okay, and it works. The runtime was actually very slow, but oh well. I just had an idea of some way to optimize this. So what we could do, I think that if we divide the full, so nums equals x divided by k for x in nums, and then we actually never divide by k again, we can still get the same result. No, that's not true. Because I'm multiplying by... Yeah, because I'm multiplying by k here. Yep. Okay. Maybe now I can get a better result. Let's see. Okay. So, just getting my camera out of your face. It did get better. So runtime, okay, submissions. It did get better. And now it speeds 40%. And well, memory-wise, it's done worse, but I don't know. Don't know why. Well, I don't know. I'm satisfied. I solved it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.